The right way to unfreeze your pipes.
Hello viewers, today we're diving into an icy situation that can occur during the cold winter months, frozen pipes. We're going to discuss whether it's better to pour hot water down the pipes or use a commercial drain cleaner to unfreeze them.
What happens when pipes freeze?
When water in your pipes freezes, it expands. This can cause a significant amount of pressure inside the pipes, leading to cracks or even burst pipes. This is a serious issue and can lead to expensive repairs and water damage in your home.
Can you pour hot water to unfreeze pipes?
Pouring hot water down your pipes seems like an obvious solution, right? However, this approach can potentially cause more harm than good. The sudden change in temperature from frozen to hot can cause your pipes to crack or break due to thermal expansion. It's much safer and more effective to slowly warm your pipes using other methods, such as using a hairdryer, heat tape, or even a space heater directed towards the frozen section.
Should you use commercial drain cleaners to unfreeze pipes?
On the other hand, commercial drain cleaners are generally not recommended for unfreezing pipes. These products are designed to break down clogs and are typically not effective against ice. Additionally, they contain harsh chemicals that can damage your pipes over time.
What is the best way to unfreeze pipes?
The best way to unfreeze pipes is by applying heat slowly and evenly. This can be done using various tools and techniques. For instance, you can use a hairdryer, heating pad, or space heater directed towards the frozen section of the pipe. Always remember to start heating the pipe as close to the faucet as possible and work your way down. This helps to ensure that any steam or water can easily escape. In conclusion, when it comes to unfreezing pipes, avoid the use of hot water and commercial drain cleaners. Instead, opt for a slow and steady application of heat using readily available household tools. Always remember to take precautions when dealing with frozen pipes and consider calling a professional if you're unsure. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay warm and stay safe.